Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today's recipe is a yummy breakfast pie filled with eggs, veggies and cheese. In a large bowl, gather and whisk 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix in 3 grated potatoes, 1 grated zucchini, 1 finely chopped spring onion, 1 finely cut red bell pepper, 1 grated carrot, and some chopped fresh dill. Don't forget to squeeze the water out of the grated vegetables. Line the bottom and sides of an ovenware with parchment paper. Then pour the veggie mixture on the parchment paper and flatten the top. Bake for 50 minutes in an oven preheated at 175 degrees until the veggies are cooked. Sprinkle the cooked veggies with grated mozzarella. Then continue baking until the mozzarella melts and browns. Once cooled down slightly, cut into serving-size pieces. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!